Hello everybody, it's Juliet here. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at some items from Beebeecraft. If you're not sure what Beebeecraft is, that is a website that sells jewelry making and craft supplies, and it's an absolutely enormous website. They have a huge range of items on there and really good prices. And in fact, you're going to get even better prices because I have a discount code right up here, which is Jules10. Anything you order, put that in, you'll get 10% off your order. Okay. So let's take a look. So it always comes very well packaged. So I've got, came in, bubble mailer, and then it came in another bubble bag. All right, that's just the packing slip, and then let's get everything out. So I don't know if you guys like choose a word for the year, but I this year did, because it sort of came to me what I wanted it to be, and my word for this year is color. So I want to try experimenting more with color, maybe putting some unexpected color combinations together, and so on and so forth. So, all right, let's start with the gemstones here. We'll go back to all that stuff. All right, so I got some gemstones. So these are Carnelian, and I can't remember. I think they're 8mm. I love Carnelian. I have always been drawn to Carnelian. Oh wow, you get 2 strands, really long. And these are just gorgeous. Can you guys see the faceting on these? I mean, really, really pretty. Wow, I love these. Absolutely gorgeous. And like I say, you get 2 full strands. So, wow. That's gorgeous. I'm very, very pleased with those. Okay, so there is some Carnelian for us. Then here we have some Aquamarine. Let's see if I can get the bag open. There we go. All right. So these are little 2mm Aquamarine beads, and these are so tiny, really pretty and delicate color. Pale blue. Some of them are really clear, some of them are a little bit cloudy. These are also faceted. Hopefully you guys can see the shine picking up off of the facets on these. So I got 1 strand, and it looks to be, this is it folded in half, like 15 inches probably. Yeah. So there we go. So blue and orange is a nice color combination. So I thought, yeah, let's do that. Okay, so that's some Aquamarine, and everything I'll put a link down below as well. This here, these are not gemstones. These are just little plastic glue-on little rhinestones. And you can see that these are like neon colors, which I thought was kind of fun. And I'll explain to you in a minute what I'm going to do with these. So these are obviously, usually I do, beads, and these are not beads. These are just little flatback. These are kind of like diamond painting dots, actually. That's another of my hobbies, by the way. I don't know if you guys do other things. I do diamond painting, and right now I'm working on a book nook, like all kinds of crafts, right? I've done the cross stitch thing, so I don't know if you guys do a bunch of crafts as well, but these are like diamond painting dots. But I ordered these, and I'll show you, to go with, with this. Let me move those scissors. Okay, I'm gonna have to use the scissors to get into it. Yeah, so I find most creative people need several creative outlets. I read a lot. I don't really watch TV. I read a lot, and then I do a lot of other like handcrafts, because otherwise I would probably get a little bit burnt out if I just did one thing all the time. But beading has been the thing that I have stuck with for forever. Okay, so what I have here is a little set of different size spacers. So these are little, well, I would call them bead spacers. And what you can do is you can brick stitch around these. So it looks like we've got, wow, these are teeny tiny ones, really tiny. It looks like we've got 4 different sizes, and yeah, so 2 finishes. So we've got, these look like 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, like 4 and 6 or something like that. Yeah. So you get silver finish and you get gold. Now you can brick stitch around these, and then you can glue one of these guys into the center to kind of cover up your threads and just give it a little bit more bling. So that's what I was planning to do with these. We're going to do a little bit of brick stitching and make a fun earring using some different like circles, yeah, I just figured we'd play with some colors and do something like that. So that is what those are for. So that's a little set of different spacers. You don't get a ton of each one, but you know, you get enough to make something, you know, an earring or whatever. And it's nice that they have both finishes. So yeah, it's a kind of fun little thing. Okay, then speaking of color, here we are again. These are some horse eye shaped fancy stones. So let me open this. If I can. All right. Wow, you get a whole bunch of these. I want to say it's like 100 or something. I don't know. Oh, there's more bubble wrap. Okay. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Okay. So, yeah, Marquise or horse eye shaped cabochons, kind of. And every color in the rainbow here. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with this, guys. Oh, yes. Let me see what size these are. Where is my... Okay. These are 14 millimeters by 8 millimeters. So 14 by 8. So I thought I would get those because just because it came with so many different colors, and this is a shape that I have not really beaded with a lot, or maybe ever. So I wanted to experiment with that. It looks like you also get some green that's not out here, like a peridot green. Trying to see what else. You get some vitriol colored ones. Can you see that one there? Vitriol. And yeah, this is, oh, yellow. We don't have a yellow out. We have this pale yellow. Fuchsia. There's this peach one, and then there's a pale pink one as well. And oh, there's a black diamond one as well. And then there is also an obsidian one. So yeah, you get a ton of these. I mean, I think this might be like 100. Seems like a lot. So we have color options here to play with, so that's good. And I like that it comes in this box, so you know you have somewhere to store it. Okay, what is this? I can't remember even. Oh, okay. I think these are shell pearls. So what is a shell pearl? So pearls are basically made out of the same stuff that shells are. The mollusk, or you know, oyster, whatever it is, creates nacre, N-A-C-R-E, on the inside of the shell, and that is also what they put around the pearl in order to, you know, they get a bit of sand or whatever and it's irritating them, so they put this stuff around it in order to protect themselves from it. So shell pearls are pearls that are cut out of shells. So they're basically the same material as a pearl. Okay, so I got some rice shaped pearls, which I thought would work with the horse eye shaped cabochons. Oh, this is a really long strand as well. Wow. Okay, again, it looks like probably a 15 or 16 inch strand here. These are really nice. They feel very heavy. That one's a little bit weird. Now these are coated, so some places there's a little bit of coating, but these are quite nice actually. They're, like I say, they're heavy. They're not all perfectly the same size either, which I kind of like. So I mean, there's one or two that are a little bit bleh, but the rest of them look good. So yeah, and I don't think these were expensive at all. You can go and look at those, but I thought they might be a good complement with our horse eye shape. And then last but not least, you guys know me, I have to get some earring findings because I'm always running out of earring findings. All right, so this time I got some lever back round findings, and I'm gonna have to cut this open. All right, so they're in a little bubble wrap inside a sealed shut thing. So, and I believe it's 2 pairs of each gold and silver. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Can you guys see the stones on these? So you get 2 pairs of the gold ones. These are so nice. They're really heavy as well. And here is the silver ones. Oh, I'm excited about these. Oh yes. What I like about these is they have the hook at the bottom of the loop as well. So, you know, if you have like a hanging earring, you know, something hanging off of it, it'll actually just hang from the bottom. I think it's weird when they put the hanging loop on the front of the earring. So yeah, 2 silver, 2 gold. These are so pretty. Like, these are really nice. I am thrilled with these. How do they open? Yeah, you just pull that back and stick it through your ear and then close it again. Oh, did I just break this? Oh, there we go. It clicks into place. I didn't break it. I just don't know what I'm doing. Okay. This one's a little tricky. Oops. I'm just gonna lay them down because I'm dropping them everywhere. There we go. Yeah, so it clicks open and then snaps shut again. These are so pretty. I highly recommend those. Okay, so that is everything. So we've got our little spacers, we've got our little diamonds, we've got our gemstones, we've got our shell pearls, we've got our horse eyes, and we've got these gorgeous earring findings. Okay, so if you see anything you like here, go check out Beebeecraft. Use the discount code. And if you see anything else you like that you'd prefer, go get that as well. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon for a project video. Take care. Bye.